How deep do these things need to be?
Let's do 4 feet.
4 feet?
Because when you sit by the fire, you don't want that thing popping in your face, man.
Four feet is deeper than this. This is about 2 feet right here. Is that how big they do those fire pits, man?
I would want to because
I think 2 feet is probably good, man. You want to do all this digging?
ain't that hard.
You never dug in a hole before, that's why.
I did. It sucks.
You dug a hole before?
In Iraq, we dig a feet that was like 20 feet deep. Fill up sandbags and put on the windows. It's brutal, man. And they give us a small shovel, the E-tool. 20 of us out there, just little by little. We dig like a 20 feet deep hole, like a swimming pool size.
Man, I'm ready to slap some fish on there. I am a little hungry. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm thinking about it, man. I'm ready to put some fish on that thing, man, and get them out here grilling. Today's a nice day, man.
Let's just start digging today.
That's what I was thinking, man. Start digging.
I had about 20 hours of sleep already. Where's the shovel at?
Probably somewhere back here. All right, man, how we doing this? How we digging this fire pit, man?
Fire pit, so we can grill the fish right out here, about 2 feet deep hole.
Hold on, this camera's kind of foggy. Go ahead.
I want to build a fire pit about 2 feet deep, build a mini grill on it, and then whenever you want to eat the tilapia fish, just take it out of the tank, put on some foil, put some herbs on there, some peppers, and lime juice, and garlic, and ginger.
Man, you giving out the recipe, man. That's supposed to be a secret, man. Hold on, this camera's still foggy. Look at all these bugs, man.
Yeah, there's a lot of bugs, but I don't feel nothing though.
All right, so what we're gonna do, what's the radius or the diameter of the
6 feet.
6 feet diameter? Man, you trying to build, what you trying to do, feed the whole neighborhood, man? 6 feet diameter, that's a huge diameter.
Put 2 grill on there.
2 grills, one for the fish and one for some veggies?
Veggies, yeah.
Man, this camera just won't stop.
The next step in creating your own miracles is to look at the nature of beliefs. By reviewing beliefs and feelings, you begin to understand how to use the universal law effectively. It is natural to yearn for the impossible, and in so doing, you establish strong beliefs about what can and cannot be done.
Carlito, man, he had to get out here and dig.
It was a good workout.
Bad luck
So,
himself.
I had a great workout. If it wasn't for a workout, I wouldn't do it, to be honest with you.
Oh, okay, you got a little workout in it. You took the positive out of it, okay.
Another diamond right here of stones for our fire pit.
Okay.
And then out here, I will have wood right here, and then put rocks, fill it all the way up, and cover it with wood. Maybe put stones out here too.
Stones would probably be better. We just need something to stop it from caving in.
Yeah. You think this is too deep?
I don't think so.
2 feet is deep, man.
I mean, I think it's good.
It's not really a diamond. This is like a, no, this isn't. It's not like a perfect diamond. This is like a diamond, like a real diamond.
Okay, I see.
This is a diamond shape. I mean, I accidentally did it. I wasn't going for this. I'm trying to go like a perfect diamond, but it came out like a real rock diamond shape.
For the bottom of the fire pit you're talking about?
Bottom fire pit, you don't even see the bottom fire pit. Bottom fire pit doesn't matter.
So you're throwing the wood in here, right?
Yeah, in that tray.
The fire pit could be, why do you have to dig it back in there if all you have to do is put stones here?
I know, that's where.
And raise it up high, but why do you even have to put anything back in there then?
What do you mean put it?
Why you have to put any dirt? You don't have to put no dirt back in there. Why would you have to put dirt back in there? All you
It works both ways. You can put stones up, you can build stones up here, and sit the tray on, you can do that too.
Oh, so we didn't even have to dig
You
then?
had to dig a hole. You dig a hole just to be fancy.
Okay, I see.
I realized last night. Okay, this is what we do. After this brick goes up, it's in place about a foot high. You want to level up this high?
Yeah, you want to level it
about
up.
2 foot high.
Okay.
And then out here, we'll put about fill it back with 1 foot of dirt. And then leave this spot empty for cooking right here, for each side.
You need more than that, man. That fire's gonna be higher than that.
Put the bricks here.
Oh, you can do that too, yeah.
Just so you have
To do it fancy.
Yeah, do it fancy. The diamond outside only has about a foot. This is more than a foot, so we gotta spread this diamond out to fit this in there. I didn't expect the diamond to be this big. How small the fire pit you want to be?
Right here. This diamond can be like this.
Fire pit in the middle?
Yeah, it's not doing nothing. It ain't doing nothing.
What fire are you gonna burn in here with that little amount of space?
You still got all this up here, all wood you can burn. You still burn all type of stuff.
Yeah,
What's more important is
hell a little amount of wood. It's not gonna keep us.
we still got the fire from ours. You don't have to use it for cooking all the time. If you want to just do it like that, you don't have to be used for it.
That's true.
But we need a big spot for something for us to cook.
The wood is about this big. If you go buy wood out Walmart, a pre-cut one is about this big already. It ain't gonna fit that.
Okay, well,
we need a diamond in the middle about maybe this. that's a good size diamond in the middle.
That's fine.
That's
so then from there we have what? This is the individual kit here. Maybe 3, and then come down with 2. And now this man got...
So that's a perfect space for cooking.
That's what I'm saying, right there.
Okay.
That is to take 100% responsibility for your life and your results. Now, most of you have heard that before, but I would ask you a question. Have you ever blamed anyone for anything in the last year? We get mad perhaps at the president or the economy or the oil prices, or we blame other people for our not being successful. You literally have to give up all blaming and take 100% responsibility for your life, that you're creating it the way it is. You have to give up complaining. Complaining means I have a reference point for something I prefer that I'm not willing to risk creating.
Both sides though. That's minus 8 inches.
Do we have 1 brick across? 2 bricks across, huh? 2 bricks going down?
No, 1 brick going down.
No.
It's Carlos, we got only 1 brick going this way. And then 2 across. 100% positive.
Oh, 1 brick's going this way, and then 2 going this way.
2 going that way.
So there's and they're outside.
Yes. Those on the outside. The other 2 bricks are on the inside.
So chop off another 4 inches then.
8 inches total.
8 inches. So 32 minus 8, 26. 20, 32, 20 minus 8, 24 inches wide.
24 inches wide.
And this is only 9 inches. This is gonna be short. No, we can just have it hanging from here to the squares like this, right? We just have it hanging from here to here.
Okay.
We don't. There'll be a gap here. That's fine. We're
Yeah,
just
that's
cooking.
fine.
So from here to here, how big is that? How big is the space? Is that? There's only 1 brick going down. That's only 16. So this will fit. Going across.
If you do it the other way, yeah. Going across, okay, yeah.
You guys need help or anything?
We're just trying to figure something out. We're building the project, so we're going through the calculations right now in our mind.
With a grill, or are you doing something?
It's like a fire pit.
Okay.
Like a little fire pit that we're building, yeah. So we're trying to figure out which sides we need and trying to see which one works.
Okay, very good. Okay, let me know if you need some help.
Okay, thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Doing this way on your Home Depot. You don't have one.
Not today.
If you do the survey, you're entered to win a $5,000 gift card.
Okay.
Maddie and Juan are your cashiers.
I'm gonna do one just to write that you and Vita and Maddie have done an amazing job at Home Depot to help us.
Thank you. And we appreciate it.
Thank you. All right, we finally finished the fire pit. Man, I'm super pumped about this right now. So what we did is, you can show them real quick. We originally were gonna have each one of these sections as separate fire pits for individuals, but then we came up with a little quick trick and find out that that's a good seat right there. So we're just gonna use this middle portion for the actual fire, and that's where we're gonna cook and do all the things. Let's go ahead. Oh, you're gonna go ahead and put the...
Yeah, this one fit perfectly on there.
I had that work out just right, man.
It's crazy how that works.
Just right.
You just start, figure it out.
We gotta do all this just for the bugs to leave us alone. Have all this fire around here and this smoke to give us some peace.